If you're new to SANS, welcome. This is a fantastic class to start with in the SANS curriculum, although I'm guessing many of you might be SANS veterans and you might have been to one or more courses. Every time I see this slide, it grows. I've been with SANS for quite a while, and I remember when SANS 508, this course actually was the only forensics course at SANS. This was the original, written by Rob Lee. It was a 2-day course that then became a 3-day, 6-day, at some point was just bursting at the seams as the forensic field really grew. I worked with Rob to basically split the course in half. And what we did is we developed the Forensics 500 class, which is kind of the foundational Windows forensics piece. And that opened up a lot of room in this course to really focus it on things like threat hunting and incident response, which also happen to be some of the more, I think, advanced forms of forensics, allowing us to bring in more advanced forensics concepts into this class. And then, of course, in the meantime, the field has exploded, gotten more specialized, just like everything in life. And so we have specialized courses for network forensics, for malware analysis, for mobile forensics, Mac forensics now. We now have a 608 course that will take some of the concepts that you deal with in this course and then help you better use them in the enterprise, working on the scalability problem. And on and on and on. So I won't go through every course here, but just recognize the fact that you're in a good spot. One of the reasons I've always loved 508 is it's kind of what I call a jack of all trades type of course. To be a good incident responder, you have to have kind of a pretty good breadth of knowledge. You don't have to be an expert necessarily in every part of forensics, but you have to have a little bit of forensic skills. You have to have a little bit of malware analysis skills. You have to have some maybe network knowledge. You have to have some especially ability to do deep analysis of data and large data sets. And so we're going to bring that all together. This creates a great foundation for you to go in any direction in the forensics field afterwards.